Today's the day for Motherload's first time only. She's feeling good and ready to go. She had a nice correct turnaround first, with a pretty good straight line going to second. She was a little bit iffy going around second, but we made it up going around third. She's still a really young horse, and for the amount of miles that we've put on her, she's doing awesome. We had a little bit of a hiccup on our second one. She froze up and kind of just ran through the bit. She's a little bit confused. I just want her to turn and go to the first barrel, and then she literally freezes. But then we figure it out and end up ending on a good note.